So I'm looking at analysis for the euro dollar. This is for Wednesday the 20th of September. I've mentioned in previous videos, but I will again in this video about the FOMC decision. We are likely to see a bit of a range on the euro dollar in anticipation of the news, but I'm still going to have a look at where we expect the market to go. Now, I have maintained a long bullish bias on the euro dollar, so let's just see where we are likely to go. Now, on a weekly time frame, firstly, we do expect it to go all the way to the high of last week, which was 2029. So just say 120.30, and after that we are looking at 120.92. Now, if the news is favorable, 120.92 could be reached for a move up to the area which I mentioned previously. We're looking at the 123 level for some resistance. Now, if you look at the weekly time frame, we have pushed up in a bullish manner, so I do expect at some point there to be some consolidation, a bull flag forming before a continuation to the upside. There are no indications at present that we are going to have a reversal, because as you can see from the chart how it's traded, pretty much every week we've had a bearish close. It's been followed by a bullish week, suggesting that there is a lot of bullish momentum behind this market. Now, so I did mention, I've already mentioned the areas I'm looking at to the upside. Let's just indicate that on the charts, and let's just put them on there. So let's just change the color here to red, and we were looking at 120.30 to the upside, and also 120.92. It's not like to be posted within view, but I'm going to put it on the chart anyway. Let's just get this put on the chart as quickly as we can, then we can move on. So 120.92 might be shown on a 4-hour chart. Let's look on the 4-hour chart, see where we are. Yep, all the way on the 4-hour chart. Now, if you have a look at this in the 4-hour chart, we've gone down, tested the 200 period. We are above this 20 period here, and as you can see, we've had a lot of bullish closes, and price does appear to be moving towards the 120.30 level, and the previous swing high of 120.92. In light of our bullish bias, we do expect the 120.30 to be hit if the news is favorable. 120.92 would be in range either this week or next week sometime. Depends on the nature of the news event. Now, on the other hand, to the short side, you are looking at below the 1910 being support. below that. There is that 200 period moving average, but I primarily don't use a 240-minute chart. So we're looking at the last swing, and last swing was at 1838, which is quite a bit away from where we are currently at pretty much near 120. We're looking at near enough 160-ish pips swing to the downside, but I have got a bullish bias, and I'll be looking at long opportunities, particularly before the news comes out. So that's my analysis for the euro dollar, and like I always say, LCS, like, comment, subscribe, and again, thank you.